Yeah, everyone wants money. Everyone needs money, but not everyone wants to work for money. People want free money. Yeah, always. Like, who doesn't want free money? Sitting around umekaa tu, yani steady flow. Money tu inakam tu. Ganji mukuchu inakam tu. Umemedi tu. But we need to work, yani kitu yenye utafanya tu daily, una earn two do, yani alafu bado something makes you happy, man. Yeah, but unasaka do na umemedi mta aje sasa. How is that gonna happen? Like, fuck, man. What do you think, man? You just gonna be sitting around getting money? Tafuteni do bana, wacheni mchezo. That's very stupid, man. Atumalize shule tu utapata tu pesa itakam, mzazi atakutafutia kazi. Nah, man. Wow. Out here it's hard, man. It's hard getting cash, getting the dough, man. So unafaa kuwa mjanja hapa hivi hapa. Yeah, because money si kama mawe tutairogota hapo chini uende ununue the shit unataka. So jitume bana, unauza matundu, unafanya mjengo, unafanya nini, shit, kitu yote, anything you're doing, as long as una earn money. Yeah, we jitume, man, jitume. Yeah, and money is everything. Don't let anyone fool you, because you need money for everything, man. Everything you're thinking about now, it needs money. So money is everything. Got that? Bravo. Hadi sipendi kuongea ngoso. Juu hadi sijui ngoso. Mi ubonga tu. Because hiyo ndo kitu imekam kwa mind. But yeah, my guys, man, think about the dough, man. Think about the dough. Ule mtu mwenye ako majuu 20 years. Sasa yeye ana million. He just used his brain. Like, POS kuna the same brain. Then use it, man. Tumia your brain kupata hiyo 1 million, 1 SG, 500k, nini, do yote nye unataka. Hiyo do iko, ni wendo unafaa uamue, unaitaka sahi ama utangoja. I'm not offering anyone to go in some kind of cult or anything, but I just want to encourage you, do what you like to do, and do what will earn you money, and do what